Check it. Alright guys, we are back with another update. In this video, I have AMC and GME technical analysis. We also have more possible tokenized shares used to short these stocks and create naked shorting. We go over that. And we have another AMC glitch. This is more than a glitch. This is dark pool data leaking out, but we go over that as well in this video. So we're going to go in the technical analysis, and without wasting any more time, let's hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on.
Alright guys, you are back with another video with Data Zero, and this video is going to be a little bit longer, but it's jam-packed full of things that you need to know. So first off, we have GME tokenized stock. So this is used to artificially short and naked short GME stock. We found the same thing with AMC. Once FTX crashed, we watched AMC's cost to borrow absolutely skyrocket. I did a great video on this showing you how they use FTX tokenized AMC shares to get forced locates for AMC, saying, hey, I'm able to find these shares as collateral, and they use that as collateral for their shorts. And I did a great video showing you how they did that. Make sure to check that out. But guys, we found more tokenized stock for GME. So this is something that everyone needs to be aware of and keep their eyes open for. Now, we also have more glitches on AMC. Guys, this is more than just a glitch. This is something serious. This is dark pool data and off-exchange data leaking out to the public. And I really think that's what this is. People, the market makers and everyone are getting confused and letting some of the data slip out. We have AMC's market cap at 6.6 billion on TradingView. Now, if you go ahead and look at Google and type in AMC's market cap, it will say 2.36 billion. And this is what it said yesterday, and this is what it should be. Because if AMC's price or market cap was 6.63 billion, it would be about $12 in price, $15 in price. So what we are looking at is more glitches, more off-exchange dark pool data leaking out to the public. And I just refreshed this, guys, so you guys know that it is up to date, and this is exactly what we're looking at. And I'll go ahead and refresh TradingView as well. This is the actual data that they are showing, 6.6 billion on the market cap for AMC. Again, that would put AMC's price at about $12. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC. These are not glitches. This is actual dark pool data that we are seeing leaking out from off exchange, and I do believe that is the case. So let's go ahead and put this on so you guys can see. And as you guys can see, 6.63 billion, and Google says 2.36 billion. So again, another glitch from AMC. So we go ahead and look at max pain. We can see that max pain is at $5 for AMC. Failure to deliver FTDs are coming in. Somehow they were able to get AMC off of the threshold security list without covering these FTDs. How? We don't know. They get magical shares to short, but they have been having troubles getting shares to short with AMC because the cost to borrow is going up. And if we look at the shorts available to short, as you guys can see, it is currently at 0. So they did use all of the shorts that they had available, and we've seen that today. So they loaded up with about 50,000 shares early this morning. We seen them use them, and then as soon as they ran out, we had movement to the upside. So what do you think will happen if the cost to borrow keeps going up and they have little to no shares available? We will see the short pressure get relieved and move to the upside, possibly exponentially. Now you guys can see that we're on this overall uptrend on AMC. We are looking good. We're trending upwards, and we are holding this overall uptrend as support. So again, they use that 50,000 shares, shorted us down, and then we move to the upside. If I go ahead and put the Bollinger Bands on for AMC, so we're going to go ahead and put both Bollinger Bands on. These indicate if a movement is coming or not. A large movement, when a large movement is coming, the Bollinger Bands get tight. And as you guys can see with this consolidation, the Bollinger Bands are getting tight, and that is indicative of a large movement to the up or downside. And I think it's going to be the upside. As you guys can see, the 4 hours really showing it. As you guys can see, getting into after hours really constricting. So we could have this pop possibly tomorrow or Wednesday, and I think it's going to be a pop to the upside because we are above the blue medium line. MACD is bullish, and if we look at the super trend, this can give us buy and sell signals. On the 4-hour, we have a buy signal for AMC, which I'm hoping will translate to the daily signal, and these normally correlate with large movements to the upside. So everything is looking for bullish for AMC, and it's looking like we're going to get a nice pop to the upside. We are just waiting for that and waiting for the manipulation to end. But guys, we need to hold and stay strong. And remember, you guys got to do what's right for you and your family. This is not financial advice. I'm just some guy on the internet. Do not listen to me. Do your own research. Do your own due diligence. But guys, we also have on GME, we have the breakout of the falling wedge, which is a bullish continuation pattern. So you guys can see this is a bullish continuation to the upside. We also have the super trend looking extremely bullish. So this is something I'm looking at for GME because we have that buy signal on the 4-hour time frame, and on the daily time frame we have that buy signal. So things are looking bullish for GME. And if we look at the smaller time frames, we have the breakout of this falling wedge. You normally come up and then consolidate inside the falling wedge, break outside of it, and then test the top of it and break to the upside, which we happen to do. Now we have this bullish consolidation above the $23 level, so that is extreme, or above the $22 level, $22.50 level, above this main support and resistance. And I think we are going to test this $27, $28 range here in the short-term future, probably this week or next week. And if we can get above $28 to $30 on GME, if we can get above $28 to $30 on GME, I am expecting this thing to absolutely go parabolic. As you guys can see, we have this huge downtrend sloping resistance at around $27, $29. So again, and it keeps going lower and lower and lower. So as time goes on, we could break this and it will get lower and lower prices. But if we break above this line here, I'm expecting GME to go absolutely parabolic for multiple reasons. There's little support and resistance, and shorts are highly underwater at those levels. If we look at AMC, I'm looking for the same thing at $5 or $6, and an even more parabolic level at $8 to $12. So if GME can get above $8 to $12, I'm expecting this thing to get absolutely crazy. Shorts try to keep us below $5 to $6 on AMC. They try to keep GME really below 15 or even 20. So GME is kind of at that spot now where it could get crazy, but they really need to keep it below $30, $28, $30, and they really need to keep AMC below $8 to $12 because shorts get highly underwater at those levels, and we've seen how hard they fight to protect those levels. When we were running up towards $8 on this recent run, they loaded up with short interest and then short laddered attacked us all the way down to $4. But now we are gaining pressure and moving back to the upside because cost to borrow is increasing for AMC, and that is putting pressure on the shorts. So as you guys can see, cost to borrow is over 200% on AMC. GME's cost to borrow did have this nice spike to the upside, 40%. Now it's hovering around 17%. It looks like about 17, 18%. And if we look at failure to delivers for GME, we can see that T plus 35 do have failure to delivers due this week. So we could see bullish action because of that. Last time we had a large pile up of failure to delivers, GME and AMC took off. As you guys can see, once AMC had this large pile of failure to delivers back here and this run up here, and then also when they started piling up here, we had this run up here, and now we have over 12 million failure to delivers. Somehow they got this thing off the threshold security list. I don't know how, but they pulled their magic and did it. But guys, never fear. You have to do what's right for yourself, and they cannot keep doing this forever. This thing will eventually take off. So guys, this is what I'm looking at for AMC and GME. Hopefully you found the video informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
Alright guys, that was the video, and I thank each and every one of you that watched to the end. And remember, you have to do what's right for you and your family. But me personally, I'm holding my shares and I'm not selling to zero or Moas. So guys, remember you can reach out on Twitter and Discord. They will be linked down below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.